Hello pianists, this is the practice video to supplement my full tutorial where I taught you how to play Leonard Cohen's Hallelujah. I'm going to teach you how to play this at the dotted quarter note at 50 for practice tempo. You can skip ahead to the chapter at the performance tempo of dotted quarter at 60. I'm going to record it today and show you how you can use this for a practice strategy to play your accompaniment patterns along with the melody. You can also use the melody just to train your singing along with it to become very secure so then you can play and sing along yourself. All right, let's get started. So first up, pianists, you're going to hear the dotted quarter note at 50, which will be your practice tempo. I'm going to give you just the melody once the lyrics start, but to help you on the introduction, I'm going to count off 6 beats and then I'll play chords. You can use this to practice singing along with the melody or just to play your accompaniment patterns along with that melody that I'll play today. So turn the metronome at dotted quarter note at 50. Here's your, I'll give you a 6 beat count off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, G. At 50, here it is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, next we're going to move that metronome up to the dotted quarter note at 60. I'm going to record this along and I'll show you how you can use this as a practice strategy. We'll do the same 6 beat count off. Here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so that was your performance tempo. All right, so now I'm going to try out that recording I just did at the dotted quarter note of 60. I'm going to go through those 4 different levels of patterns through Hallelujah. All right, pianists, now I'm going to show you how you can use this melody tutorial for your own practice. I'm going to push play on that recording at the dotted quarter note of 60. I'm going to progress through those 4 levels of accompaniment patterns. I'll call them out so you know when I'm switching. I'll start that level 1 pattern when the melody starts. Here it is.